In today's competitive professional services landscape, effectively managing projects, people, and profitability is critical to success. Deltek Vantagepoint is a fully integrated project management and ERP platform built specifically for project based firms like architecture, engineering, and consulting companies. It consolidates project planning, budgeting, time tracking, CRM, and reporting into one intuitive system. So, whether you're a project manager seeking greater visibility, a finance team member aiming to improve billing accuracy, or an executive looking for strategic insights, Deltek Vantage Point is designed to meet your needs. In this video, we'll walk through its most powerful features and show how it can help your business streamline workflows, improve collaboration, and increase profitability in 2025. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the project planning and setup. Setting up a project in Deltek Vantage Point begins with defining the project structure, including phases, tasks, work breakdowns, and deliverables. You can also establish billing terms, project types, and assign responsibility for each phase. Budget creation tools allow for labor planning, expense forecasting, and baseline management from day one. You can even clone templates from past successful projects to reduce setup time and standardize project structure. So, with a clear defined structure, project teams are more aligned and efficient from the beginning. It enables easier tracking of budgets, deliverables, and timelines, reducing administrative work and risk of miscommunication. Another key feature is the resource management. Vantage Point's resource planning module allows firms to assign staff tasks based on availability, skills, and project needs. You can visually manage workloads across your entire team using drag and drop tools and forecast future staffing needs based on active and upcoming projects. Resource utilization dashboards provide key metrics such as billable hours, percent capacity, and workload distribution by individual or department. So, improved resource management ensures that the right people are working on the right projects at the right time. It increases overall productivity, helps avoid burnout, and keeps teams on track to meet deadlines. Another key feature is the time and expense tracking. Employees can log their time and expenses on the go using the Vantage Point mobile app or desktop portal. Time entries can be tied directly to projects, phases, and tasks, with support for both hourly and fixed fee billing models. Managers can approve timesheets and review expense receipts and automatically push approved data into the billing cycle. Integrated alerts help ensure timely submissions and reduce the risk of revenue loss due to unlogged hours. Accurate and timely entry of time and expenses supports faster invoicing, better cash flow, and more transparent reporting. It also enhances accountability among staff and simplifies payroll processes. Another key feature is its client relationship management or CRM. Vantage Point's built-in CRM allows users to manage client records, track communications, and monitor pipeline activities. From opportunity tracking and proposal management to win/loss reporting, all client interactions are centralized for easy access. So, with a centralized view of client relationships, sales and project delivery teams can collaborate more effectively. It ensures continuity across the customer lifecycle and helps drive client satisfaction and repeat business. Another key feature is its dashboards, analytics, and reporting. Vantage Points features customizable dashboards tailored to each user's role, whether you're a project manager, principal, or accountant. Built-in reports cover financials, project performance, utilization, revenue forecasting, and more. Reports can be filtered, scheduled, and exported for presentations or audit. So having real-time insights allow teams to make informed decisions quickly, identify risks early, and stay aligned with financial goals. It transforms your project data into actionable intelligence and supports smarter long-term planning. So why is Deltek Vantage Point a great choice? Deltek Vantage Point is more than just a project management tool. It's an integrated business solution tailored to the unique needs of project-based firms. Unlike generic software platforms, it combines the precision of ERP with the flexibility of project and client management, making it ideal for firms looking to connect front and back office operations. Its intuitive interface reduces training time for new users while still offering deep functionality for power users. With cloud access, mobile capabilities, and frequent updates, it's built for the demands of modern hybrid work environments. So basically, Deltic Vantage Point empowers project-based businesses to operate with greater clarity, control, and confidence. Its comprehensive feature set helps you manage the full project life cycle, from opportunity tracking to project execution and financial closeout, all within one connected platform. So if you're looking for a way to streamline project workflows, improve visibility, and drive profitability, Deltek Vantage Point is a tool worth mastering. So start using Deltek Vantage Point today and experience how better visibility and smarter planning can transform the way your team works in 2025 and beyond. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.